Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID credentials and making sure iTunes is updated. Outdated software often triggers the Apple ID not used in iTunes message. Sign out of iTunes if already signed in, then restart the app and attempt sign in again so cached errors clear. While you do this, verify the computer clock and internet connection because certificate checks depend on time and network. Once signed out and updated, try signing in. If it fails, keep these basics in mind before deeper fixes. If the initial sign-in fails, reset the password or complete two-factor authentication. iTunes may block access until the account's security is current. Go to Appleid. Apple.com, confirm trusted devices, primary email, and remove stale devices that cause conflicts. When two-factor is active, generate an app-specific password for iTunes to grant older apps access. Also make sure your payment method and billing address are valid since purchase verification can prevent account usage. Once security matches Apple requirements, retry signing in and authorizing the computer. After security and app passwords are handled, sign into iTunes and authorize this computer so purchases and downloads resume. Make a small test download or restore a purchase to confirm access. If you still see the error, sign out on other devices, remove any redundant devices from your Apple ID, then sign back in everywhere. This forces a refreshed device list. If that does not help, contact Apple support with your Apple ID details as the final troubleshooting step to resolve server-side or account locking issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.